The stock market crashed over 10% in April 2025, and everyone's panicking. Smart money and hedge funds thrive during a market crash. Stick around for 3 game-changing strategies. New tariffs are spooking investors, volatility is up, and the S&P 500's correction is real. But smart money sees this as a buying opportunity. Quality at a discount, blue-chip stocks like Apple or Microsoft down 15 to 20%, with strong cash flows and low debt. These companies bounce back fastest. Diversification into defensive sectors. Consumer staples, utilities, and healthcare like Procter & Gamble or Johnson & Johnson perform better in downturns. Data shows defensive sectors outperform by 3 to 5% during corrections. ETFs like the consumer staples Select Sector SPDR ticker XLP are a great way to play this. Keep your powder dry. Smart money holds 10 to 20% cash during crashes to scoop up bargains. In 2008, Warren Buffett invested $5 billion in Goldman Sachs at rock-bottom prices. Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway holds a massive $334 billion in cash. He keeps a cash reserve to buy when others are selling. Market crashes are scary, but they're where wealth is made. Smart money, including hedge funds and institutional investors, often invests in gold as a safe haven asset during market crashes to hedge against volatility and preserve wealth. They strategically allocate 5 to 10% of portfolios to gold ETFs like SPDR Gold Shares, GLD, or physical gold to diversify risk without overexposure. However, these investors rarely disclose their gold positions publicly, as revealing holdings could trigger market speculation and reduce their competitive edge. By maintaining secrecy, smart money avoids tipping off retail investors or competitors, preserving the ability to accumulate or sell at optimal prices. This discreet approach ensures they capitalize on gold's stability while navigating crash-induced uncertainty. These smart money strategies are ahead of 90% of investors. Drop a comment. What's your go-to move in a crash? Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more investing tips. See you in the next video.